From casting processing, inside craftsmanship, between inch and millimeter, foresee a bright future. Entering the workshops, listen, machines roaring joyfully. Look, technology shining lightly. Continuously optimize again and again, only for improving superior quality. Through each sophisticated machines and every dedicated phase, you will be shocked by an aura. At here, everybody is the sole engineer of Yoking products. We focus on the client's values, study user needs with great concentration, deeply using dedication and professionally, catch people's pursuit of high quality. We inject wisdom into every detail of developing and manufacturing, bring top modern technology, cool and calm attitude. We constantly thinking about the future and development. With the name of passion, conquer all the challenges. Obsessed with details, continuously crafting. Bring world the products with infinite charm. We continuously develop the product's application fields, optimize the service system, Yoking, keeping the purest love. Using the force of high technology, bringing the world more happiness. Coming in search of life, traveling towards the light. We always explore and verify, also keep enhancing ourselves. After every time when we break the limit, our steps become more firm and steady. Where there is a will, there is a way. With heaven and earth as our mind, think carefully, contribute to the future. Yoking, high-quality industrial pump manufacturer.